So this past weekend was our summer birthday barbecue. Isaac's birthday is December 23rd, so there's no chance of really having a friend's birthday party at that point. And Jason's birthday is July 8th. So we decided a long time ago to just combine their birthdays. So that's what we've been doing for quite a few years. My friend Gloria usually makes the cake. Isaac usually comes up with a theme, and then I usually come up with some games and things for the kids to do. Last year, because of COVID, we had a special cake, and that was about it. And we didn't have very many people here, so it was really just the closest group of friends and then family. And then this year, I was planning on pretty much doing the same thing as last year, just like a cake and keep it really simple. But then Isaac decided he really wanted to do a scavenger hunt type thing like we've done in the past. So he put it together, and I helped him out by typing it up, and we had a plan in action. So the pictures that you're going to see now are mostly of the kids running around working on the scavenger hunt idea that Isaac had come up with, and then some pictures of the cake. And then we did end up having a campfire at the end with just, there was like 5 of us left, I think, at that point, maybe 6, I don't even remember. Anyway, it was a very small group, very close, nice, cozy campfire to finish up our night. And then it was off to bed. So enjoy this short video about our birthday celebrations and how we celebrate Jason and Isaac's birthday at our summer birthday barbecue.
I got it. I got it.
Someone, good job, mister. You're doing great. She better start.
She's from Japan. Melody grew up in Japan.
I can't. Oh, well, we'll forget that one.